Hi, I'm Courtney with Equiparts, and today we're going to be talking about National Guard Products Lite Kit. A Lite Kit is basically a window for your door. They help prevent injuries, damage to materials, and accidents. They also allow you to clearly see what is on the other side of the door so you can open it with confidence. Another added bonus is they provide more light to the room. These are made of high quality, durable materials for long-term wear and tear. They're made of 18-gauge cold rolled stainless steel and have welded and mitered corners along with reinforced clips for added strength. They do come in a standard 1 3/4 inch size for any hollow metal or wood door. There are custom sizes available if needed. Also, the glass can be customized to your specifications. If you would need to do that, please call and talk to one of our knowledgeable sales reps and they can help you with that process. There are 4 glass options available for within this item: 20-minute fire protection glass, Pyran Platinum F ceramic fire protection safety glass, glass with integral mini blinds, and safety wired fire protection glass. For any orders need to be placed, please call and talk to one of our knowledgeable sales reps. Thank you for watching.